Cavite. And the race is on. Dr. Choice, Magic Key, New Golden City, Azu, Carrera de Mama alongside 10-8 Don, Ezekiel. It's now Magic Key. Moving up by the Rally's Power. Negotiator, and on the outside Azu, Carrera de Mama, running import by the Dr. Choice alongside 15-8 Don, Ezekiel, Vermont. As they run the 3/4 mile distance, Magic Key by ahead. Power Negotiator down on the inside. Azu Carrera de Mama is running in third by some 2 lengths. Dr. Choice is racing forward by some 2 lengths. Then comes 10-8 Don. Ezekiel running 6 by some 3 lengths. Vermont running down on the inside. 7 is New Golden City alongside 10 joint account. Super Elegant. Third last Formidable, Ella second last Real Excellent, and Foxtrot's running at the tail of the field. Azu Carrera de Mama by ahead. Power Negotiator down on the inside. Dr. Choice is racing in third by some 3 lengths. Then comes Vermont, and on the outside Super Elegant as the action swing towards the long Nike stretch run with Power Negotiator, Azu Carrera de Mama. Dr. Choice making ground down on the inside, and here comes New Golden City. Power Negotiator, Azu Carrera de Mama. New Golden City rushing up from the outside, moves up to take the lead, and finally New Golden City, Power Negotiator, Azu Carrera de Mama, close with Formidable, Ella Super Elegant, and Vermont.